Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes, honey, it's now live. What's up Twitter family? What's up YouTube family? What's up? Hey you guys, welcome back to another amazing cook with me guys. Yes, it's me Winston and we are in the kitchen. Okay guys, so before we dive into it, let's go ahead and wash our hands. Alright. So today we're going to be making Campbell's cream of chicken soup, baked chicken, okay? So we're going to be making baked chicken using Campbell's cream of chicken soup, okay? This is one of my favorite dishes, guys. So I have already cleaned my chicken and took off the skin because you guys know I don't like the skin on the chicken, all right? So we're going to drain off this water. Alright. Make sure you get all the water out. Alright. And before we do anything else, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay. So we're going to use a little bit of adobo seasoning. Okay, not too much. Then we need a little bit of black pepper. And just some paprika. Okay. And then we're going to use some of the cooking base. And I forgot 2 things, but I will get it. Okay. So that's 2 tablespoons of that. Alright. I forgot 2 things. And 1 tablespoon of sugar of the sofrito. Okay. All right. All of this. We're now going to chop up our onions and peppers. So you're going to need 1 green pepper, a red pepper, and an onion, a yellow onion. Okay? So for just set your chicken to the side. You don't need the entire red pepper. So you just want to cut it in half like that. Okay. All right. And then we're going to toss it in the bowl right here. Okay, guys? Alright. We're going to toss it in a bowl like that. And then we have her. Okay. Alright. So just a half. You're not using the whole thing. put this to the side again. You're gonna need another knife. I'll just get our onions together. Right. Make sure you wash it so you're not crying in the kitchen. All right, and then just a half of this. Okay. All right. Okay, and then toss that in there. Okay. Now, here's the best part that I like. We're gonna just clean out this right here. All right. Let's wash off the spoon. Okay. So before we actually put in our Campbell's soup, we're gonna put one slice of butter. Okay. So now we're gonna open our Campbell's cream of chicken. Make sure you get a nice tablespoon to scrape it all out. And you don't need water for this because the chicken is gonna make its own water. The cream of chicken is gonna make it nice and soft and nice and juicy. So you really don't need water for this. So you wanna just mix it together. All right, so you just wanna mix it so that it can marinate nicely. All right. Okay, now that you mixed it, now we're going to put it in our baking dish. All right, I have a smaller baking dish here. So now we're gonna put it. Make sure you get everything. Okay. And then we're gonna put this in the oven, guys. Okay, so your oven should already be set and 350 degrees. Okay, so now my side dishes of what I'm making with it is some homemade butter mashed potatoes. As you guys can see, I have my potatoes here. So I'm just gonna, okay. All right. So I'm cutting them in half. That way, it'll be easier. I like to cook my potatoes with the skin on because it's easier to peel. All right. Okay. And then we're gonna put this on a medium heat. Okay. All right. Okay. So guys, when we come back, we'll do our vegetables, mash our potatoes, and our chicken should be done. Hey you guys, so welcome back. It is now time to take out our chicken out the oven and time to plate, honey, because you know we are hungry. Okay, so let us take out this lovely chicken. Let's see how it looks, guys. Okay, there we have it, y'all. Our chicken is out of the oven. There we have it, guys. Our baked cream of chicken. See, look, guys. Look how it looks, guys. See that? Nice and juicy. See how it looks? Alright. Okay. Now we are going to plate our food. Okay, so we're going to start off with the mashed potato. Okay, we're going to just make a little hole. Alright. Make a little hole just for the gravy. Alright, and then we're going to plate this. Okay. Alright. Let's do some gravy. Okay. And then we have some veggies here. Okay. And there we have it, guys. Take a look. Take a look, guys. There we have it. Alright, guys. So make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. Each time I upload or each time I come back to you with another amazing cooking live, remember to check out my book that is available on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, and houseofentertainment.com. Remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys.
What's up, YouTube family? What's up?